The following is the World Man vs. Drone competition. To your right, from Ghana, West Africa, he weighs 222 pounds and reaches an average of 30 to 45 miles an hour. He is Mr. C. And his opponent, from China, he weighs 1.99 pounds and reaches an average of 20 to 44 miles per hour. He is the Mavic 2 Zoom drone. And now the rules of the competition. In the first round, Mavic 2 Zoom shall fly in normal mode. In round 2, DJI Mavic shall fly in sports mode. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble. At the end of round 1, Mr. C wins. And now we go in for round 2. DJI Mavic just switched to sports mode, and Mr. C has recruited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to join him to once again defeat Mavic 2 Zoom in sports mode. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble. At the end of round 2, Mavic 2 Zoom wins.
There you have it. Your drone is faster than the average man. As you can see, your man over there is totally devastated. Total annihilation, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this test very interesting and very funny, I do much appreciate it if you do click on the subscribe button. Make sure to click on the post notification bell so you are notified anytime we drop awesome content like this right here from the middle of Africa. If you are just discovering this channel for the very first time, welcome. This is Africa-based channel. Over here, I talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. As you can see, in sports mode, this thing is really a beast. So maybe if you have another champion, do recommend. We'll bring him here and let's see if he can beat our drone. Oh, forget it, guys. I mean, it is going to be total annihilation.